In this video I briefly explain what ChatGPT is and how to use it. I also ask many interesting questions to the ChatGPT chatbot. Let's see what kind of answers we get. ChatGPT is a conversational language model that has been created by OpenAI. It makes use of deep knowledge techniques, in particular the design of a transformer semantic network, to generate human-like messages. It can be fine-tuned for a variety of conversational tasks, such as answering questions and generating actions in discussions, and is trained on a large dataset of conversational messages. Don't forget subscribe and like. It can be integrated to enhance the natural language understanding and generation capabilities of applications such as chatbots and virtual assistants. You can find ChatGPT website at chat.openai.com. Chatbot can usually answer all kinds of questions, whatever the subject. Next, I ask many questions to the ChatGPT chatbot. The answers are pretty good. You can read the questions and answers on the screen. How to make money online. What could be done about world overpopulation? Tell about healthy Greek dishes. Give your best advice to a new stock investor. I have a Labrador Retriever. What are the best toys for my dog? What are the best phones in the $500–$1,000 price range? What is pad thai recipe? What is the best way to lose weight? I am going on a date with a woman. What can I ask her? What is the future of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies? Suggest some good biographies to read. How I could save more money. I was bullied as a child, now I meet my bullies. What do I say to them? Is there a lot of scam money-making methods on the internet? ChatGPT can be used to find virtually any kind of information, regardless of the subject area. Here are some. Product recommendations, recipe suggestions, jokes, personal tutoring, coding, stock trading, career coaching, mental health support, social skills, language translation and entertainment. ChatGPT currently supports 95 different languages. This means that it covers a very large part of the languages of the world, and also rare languages such as Albanian, Latvian, Santali, Konkani and so on. You don't have to write your questions or other issues in English, you can ask them in almost any other language. You will get a reply in the language you ask the question in. How will AI change our lives? While many people agree that AI is the next big thing in technology and will change our lives, what they don't realize is that AI has already begun making waves in our lives. We've reached a point in technology where artificial intelligence is moving out of the pages of science fiction and is now science fact. This can be as subtle as a music application creating a playlist based on your tastes, or as dramatic as defeating human opponents in complex games. Don't forget subscribe and like. Thanks for watching. You find the link to ChatGPT below this video.